Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft Office 365 account and confirming your subscription and permissions. Once signed in, install desktop apps or open the web version so you can work anywhere. Make sure two-factor authentication and OneDrive storage are configured. This prevents access issues later. Then open Word or Excel, create a new document, and enable autosave to OneDrive. This protects your work. After that, sync your desktop app with the same account so files stay consistent across devices and collaborators. You now focus on building efficient workflows. Choose templates and apply styles in Word and themes in PowerPoint to maintain consistency. Once done, share files from OneDrive or directly through Teams and set specific permissions. Give edit access to collaborators or view only when needed. Use comments and version history to track changes without losing content. Meanwhile, sync Outlook calendar with Teams meetings and create planner tasks so responsibilities and deadlines stay visible. This keeps collaboration tight and reduces duplicated work. You finish by reviewing documents with track changes and resolving comments, then export final files as PDF if needed and confirm that shared links use the right permissions. Make sure to apply sensitivity labels and conditional access so sensitive data stays protected, and set link expirations when sharing externally. If something goes wrong, try the simplest fix first. Clear Office and OneDrive caches, force a resync, or start the app in safe mode to isolate add-in conflicts. If issues persist, re-authenticate the account and retry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.